A dark cloud of tension hung over the British Isles as summer turned to autumn in 1940. The Nazi war machine, led by Adolf Hitler, had invaded Poland, France, and other European nations, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. The eyes of the world now turned to the small island nation that refused to be subdued. The Battle of Britain, a pivotal event in World War II, was about to unfold in the skies above. The Luftwaffe, the German Air Force, aimed to destroy the Royal Air Force, RAF, and clear the way for an invasion of Britain. The RAF Fighter Command, under the leadership of Air Chief Marshal Hugh Dowding, stood resolute, ready to defend their homeland. The morning of August 13 saw the first large-scale attack by the Luftwaffe. German bombers, escorted by fighter planes, targeted civilian areas in an attempt to break the British spirit. The Battle of Britain had begun. Every day, the skies above England roared with the sound of battle. The RAF pilots, young men and women who had volunteered to protect their country, engaged the enemy in fierce dogfights. Their courage and determination were tested with each passing day. One of these pilots was squadron leader Douglas Bader. Despite losing both legs in a flying accident before the war, he proved to be one of the most successful aces of the battle. His inspiring leadership and fearless tactics became a beacon of hope for his fellow pilots. On September 15, the largest air battle of the war took place over the south coast of England. Known as Battle of Kent, it was a day of intense combat. The Luftwaffe launched a massive attack, but the RAF held firm, inflicting heavy losses on the enemy. The Battle of Britain reached its climax on October 15, during the Battle of London. The city was subjected to relentless bombing, but the RAF continued to fight valiantly. The Luftwaffe's failure to gain air superiority and the subsequent failure of their bombing campaign forced Hitler to abandon his plans for an invasion. The Battle of Britain was a turning point in World War II. The courage and resilience of the British people, coupled with the determination and skill of the RAF, had thwarted Hitler's plans. The small island nation had stood firm, demonstrating to the world that it would not be easily defeated. The end of the Battle of Britain did not mean the end of the war, but it was a significant victory for Britain. The RAF had proven that it could withstand the might of the Luftwaffe, buying time for the Allies to prepare for the eventual invasion of Europe. The spirit of the RAF pilots, led by heroes like Douglas Bader, would inspire future generations and become a symbol of British resilience and determination.